Let's talk about that first day at work. Honestly, it's perfectly fine to feel nervous. I've gone through this situation multiple times and there's no fighting that feeling. Tons of thoughts are gonna be running through your head like, am I doing this correctly? Am I making a good first impression? What questions should I be asking? And these are all relevant questions, but we're gonna be here to help you out. Here are some tips on how you can rock the first day at your job. First things first, dress the part. Each company is gonna have a dress code and it is your job to figure out what that dress code is. If you're unsure of what the dress code is, see what other people are wearing, visit their social media or their company website, or just talk to the hiring manager. It's a simple question and it doesn't hurt to ask. It's also not a bad idea to dress up on your first day and then tone it down after seeing what everyone else is wearing. If you're not sure about the difference between business professional, business casual, or just plain old casual, check out our What I Should Wear to Work video. It will also come with examples of all these types of attire. Now, it's extremely important that you show up to work early on your first day. Be sure to map out your route in advance to make sure that you know where you're going and how to get there on time. This could include looking at Google Maps or Waze the night before and figuring out your commute. I'll tell you right now, it's better to arrive 20 minutes early than 5 minutes late. Plus, if you arrive early, you can go grab a cup of coffee from Starbucks or something. But be sure to arrive a little bit early so that you can have time to freshen yourself up. If you landed a remote job and you don't have to go in the office and you're working from home, here are a few tips. Wake up early to set up your workspace and then test your technology to make sure that there's no issues. You guys can then read our tips on how to work from home. Many employers will actually use the first day to onboard you to the team. That may include going over the employee handbook, introducing you to the team, and completing new hire paperwork. Be work ready by making sure you have all the right documentation that you're gonna need on your first day, or they might just send you home to grab it. That's especially gonna suck if you commuted a long way. These documents may include government issued ID, like your driver's license, your passport, social security, or any bank information if your company does direct deposits. Be sure to ask questions because there's always a steep learning curve when you start a new job. It can be a little bit overwhelming because so much information is being thrown at you, but don't be afraid to ask questions. This is the perfect time to ask your managers questions because they'll be expecting them. The goal is to understand how your company operates and to better understand your role. Also, be sure to check out this video on how to effectively communicate at work. Finally, just be yourself. This may be a no-brainer, but they hired you for a reason. They saw the potential in you and they picked you out of however many applicants there were, and they know you have the ability to do the job. New job jitters are normal and mistakes may happen in the beginning, but that's totally okay. Just remember to be kind to yourself as you adjust to this new role. I'm sure your team will also not be giving you a hard time when it's your first week at work. Looking for more tips on how to rock your first day at work? Hit the link down in the description below and check out our full article on getschooled.com. We go more into detail on why you should mute your phone at work, why you should be ready to interact, and why breaks are super important. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.